Welcome, you are listening Radio Central News. I'm Chandni and now news in detail. India recorded 407 deaths and 17,296 coronavirus cases in the last 24 hours, which pushed the overall infection tally to 4,90,401 and the death toll to 15,301, Union Health Ministry said on Friday. Meanwhile, 2,85,636 patients have recovered till Friday. A record total of 13,940 COVID-19 patients were declared cured in a single day. The recovery rate has improved to 58.24%, whereas the total number of active cases stands at 1,89,463. According to the Indian Council of Medical Research, total 77,76,228 samples have been tested up on June 25, and on Thursday over 2.15 lakh samples were tested. Coronavirus testing facilities have been ramped up across the country, with 1,007 diagnostic labs currently offering COVID diagnostic facilities, the government said. The Supreme Court on Friday gave its approval to the revised assessment scheme submitted by the Central Board of Secondary Education. The CBSE and Indian Certificate of Secondary Education both assured the three-judge bench headed by Justice A.M. Khanwilkar that the results will be declared by July 15. The court allowed CBSE to issue its notification today. Also, it turned down a suggestion to fix a deadline for the students to decide whether or not to sit for the optional examination and observed that the CBSE may even decide in future not to hold the optional exams for Class 12th board. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, senior lawyer for the CBSE too, stated before the top court that there shouldn't be any deadline for the students to decide since the decision is pro-students. If exams are conducted at any time in future, let the students take a call at that point in time, the SC said. Meanwhile, the ICSE said that it may conduct optional exams even for Class 10 students since their marketing criteria is a bit different from CBSE. Congress leader and party spokesperson Abhishek Singhvi has home quarantined himself after testing positive for COVID-19, sources close to him said on Friday. While he has mild symptoms like fever, the sources said his wife has also tested positive for the virus and has isolated herself at home as per the government guidelines. After Singhvi tested positive, his son and other family members and staff are also being tested for the virus. Singhvi is the second Congress leader after Sanjay Jha to test positive for COVID-19. Jha has since recovered in Mumbai. India's foreign exchange reserves retreated from a lifetime high to touch USD 505.566 billion in the week ended June 19, down by USD 2.078 billion from the previous week, according to the RBI data. The Forex Reserve declined for the first time since April 24, when the assets dropped by USD 113 million to USD 479.455 billion. Between April 24 and June 12, Forex Reserve had grown by USD 28.189 billion. In the week ended June 12, the reserve had increased by USD 5.942 billion to touch a record high of USD 507.644 billion. The reserve had crossed the $500 billion mark for the first time in the week ended June 5 after surging by a massive USD 8.223 billion and reached USD 501.703 billion. In the week ended June 19, the reserve had declined due to the fall of the foreign currency assets, which is a major component of the overall reserve. FCA decreased by USD 1.698 billion to USD 467.039 billion in the reporting week, the RBI data showed. Equity benchmark Sensex surged over 300 points in early trade on Friday, tracking gains in index heavyweight Infosys, Reliance Industries, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank amid positive cues from global market. The 30-share index was trading 355.04 points or 1.02% higher at 35,197.14, while the NSE Nifty jumped 100.55 points or 0.98% to 10,389.45. IndusLand Bank was the top gainer in the Sensex pack, rallying around 4%, followed by Infosys, TCS, ICICI Bank, Reliance Industries, ITC and HDFC Bank. On the other hand, Kotak Bank, HUL and Sun Pharma were among the laggards. In the previous session, the BSE barometer closed 26.88 points or 0.08% lower at 34,842.10, and the broader Nifty slipped 16.40 points or 0.16% to close at 10,288.90. Foreign institutional investor turned net seller on Thursday, offloading equities worth rupees 1,050.61 crore, provisional exchange data showed. That is all for the today's news bulletin. Stay tuned to Radio Central News for more updates.